I want to start from many of Indian, as the Indian, no doubt we love Hindi language, and but there is, I think, one myth or maybe one mistake in our mind that we think in Hindi is our national language, okay, but it is not true. If you will go on internet, or even though if you will go for our constitution, our official language is Hindi and English both, and there are also many other languages. So there is no any particular national language that has decided by our country that Hindi is our. We sometimes say it is our kind of national language, but it is not. So I think when it comes about respect, so we can give equal respect to Hindi as well as English language. We give more respect to Hindi just because many of us are too much aware about that. Like many state many state, it is a mother tongue. But like Vishal is from, I think, Maharashtra, so his mother tongue is Marathi, so he can give preference to Marathi. Okay, so it is also a kind of official language, like English, Hindi, and there are 22 other languages. Okay, there are 22 other languages which has decided by our constitution as well as from our countryside. So when it comes about learning language, yeah, we can learn any language no matter which mother tongue we have. Now, as today we are going to talk about, is English is important. So according to me, uh, even I can't say it depends on people. Basically, always I tell the same thing that everything is just because you have your own right, you have your own duty, so it is all up to you. But no, it is not all up to you. Just because, even though if we are from Hindi medium, or anyone is are from their like mother tongue and medium, so what happened from first class, from nursery class, government give us one single subject, that is English, whether we are from Hindi medium or English medium. So we can't neglect this part. Okay, we can't say that just because I love Sanskrit too much, just because I love Hindi too much, so I don't want to learn English language. If you are in a normal school like government private school, whether you want or not, you don't have a choice, just because it is from your first standard. So we can see the importance of English language, that if our government is allow us to learn from our first standards to 12th. And if I'm talking about higher studies, I mean after 12th, everyone knows there are many study materials, many books which are totally available on English. And when it comes about technology, when it comes about, like, nowadays our prime minister and all the people are focusing on vocal for local, right? And it is only possible when we will be a hub of manufacture, or we have a very good technology. So when it comes about computers, when it comes about all the parts which belongs to technology, we can't learn in any other language, because most of the part is available only in English. If we have to learn computer, how we will something translate in Hindi, or how can we learn? It is next to impossible, just because computer word is also like the Hindi word of computer, it's a sangadak. And all the parts like memory and bits and bytes, all those, we can't everything just translate in our Hindi language. So if we are a person who love technology too much, we want to learn computer, we want to do something, we want to create our own application, we must go for English language. Okay, yeah, like Chinese people have their own, Japanese people have their own, but as we Indian, we have only first option Hindi, and second option is English. And not only in technology, let us take an example of all these states. Many states have their own mother tongue, Marathi, Telugu, Malayalam, all the state had. Okay, but I think most of the state also they prefer to learn English language. Like if we will take an example of South, okay, Maharashtra, east side also, they people know their mother tongue, but as well as they are more aware about English than Hindi, just because they know if we will know English too much, there are many chances we can do job, even though if we are not well educated. But if we have a good English, there are many sector, like it's a maybe communication sector, or it's a tourism sector. Tourism is a very broad way. If for tourism you definitely need many other languages, but if like English language, there are many people who comes in India, they mostly know English language. I mean, I think more than 80 or 70% people. That's why all the people prefer to learn English language. Okay, and we like I in initially when I started this discussion, I told it is not a kind of like Hindi is our uh, national language. We have both English and Hindi as our national language. So I think as a respect, we can learn both languages. And if a person, someone wants to learn any more other language, they can also go. But if we are learning only English language, now we have more study material. Like Yogesh has mentioned that if we want to watch any Hollywood movies, okay, it is good to watch in English. You can watch because many Hollywood movies are written in, I mean, they have made in English language. Many books, you will find n number of books which are written in English language, and many of not translated also in Hindi. Many of translated, but like if you will take most of the books example, it will not. And the other thing that I also mentioned that when it comes about higher studies, definitely there are many books which are only available on English language, so we can learn a lot. Even though if we are farmer, and we know English language, we don't have any education extra, okay, but we can use internet. We can learn something better for our farming purpose, with the help of expert, with the help of internet, and with the help of YouTube. So whenever we go for learning any only English language, it open us up many doors, and it is like our India is also focusing on more and more education. So for that, I think if we are educated in both language, Hindi, English, and as many as you can, so I think it is a part of education which is very, very important for our economic development. So at the last, this is the all point that I have said, and maybe if after some time I will have a more time, so I want to add something more, but just because uh, we don't have a more time, so I think I want to give a chance to speak to my other members. Okay, but I hope I have covered most of the points. So anyone wants, maybe Nabil? Yeah.
Yeah, actually, our topic is English, is learning English is necessary. So if you can completely change that topic, if you have a good command in English, if you have a knowledge of English, so is it there is any drawback of English? You know what I mean? Means if you say that is it necessary to learn English, but if I just say that you are not thinking that it is necessary or not, but if you can speak English very well or you know the English, so is it any drawback? I think there is no any drawback.
Oh,
There is only the pros. There is no
definitely.
any of cons. So we should go about it. And if you talk about the benefits or the pros of English, there are tons of things you can talk about it. But what we can say, it's completely up to you. Another thing, it's completely up to you. But suppose now we are living in 2020, and everyone know it is the time of technology. And if you think everyone or everything, I just tell you one thing that if you eat something like if you eat any packaging food, even though he's the name of like kurkure, the name of the kurkure in Hindi name, but even though the script of that is in English, so why they writing it, why they are not writing in Hindi? They can write it in kurkure because we are not in English type of guy, because English is not our native language, even though they write in kurkure. And if you talk about, I just give you one instance of our sleeper. We always wear sleeper, and if you see about the sleepers, everyone write in, even though sleeper is in English. So if you talk about it, we are not thinking about it. Is it necessary or not? We just see English as a tool. You can learn English as a skill. Like if you have a lots of tools, so it is easy for your life. Your life will be more accessible. Your life will be more easy if you have lots of tools. You can use it as a tools, as a what can I say, as a weapon. Suppose if you have a weapon, you can say as a weapon. So we are not thinking to speak in English. Okay, I'm thinking. But suppose if you go there where everyone is speaking English, so what would you do on that time? If you have that time, if you have that skill, so you can use it. That's it. And if I talk
Yeah.
about the
Right.
use of English, so if you just talk, it's the correlate topics like exam. So if we talk about international exams like IELTS or many other exams, it's completely conducted in English. And if we talk about local exams like UPPSC or many entrance exams, they are completely held in English. So if you have a good command English, so you can crack it easily. And the second thing is employment opportunity. If you have a good command in English, so you can definitely get a good job, because there are engineering, medical field, tourism, as like group said, and all the aspects of employment. You can say English is playing a vital role. No one can deny it. It's everyone is it acceptable in all the world. And the third thing is business. If you want to grow your business, if you want to evolve your business in all around the world, so definitely you should need of English, because you should make email or many advertisements. So it's the only medium of English, because you can say, if I talk about business level, so English is a formal language. English is the language of business, you can say, especially if you talk about the high level of business. So no, you can't use your own language, even though your native language is Spanish, Russian, whatever language you have. But everyone, if you talk about the high level of business, they use only in English. And the fourth one is language of knowledge. As like Dhruv said, suppose if you talk about, if you want to gain some knowledge, like I tell you some talk about internet things like Quora or TED Talks. If you want to get some knowledge through them, so how can you get knowledge without English? Because Quora and TED Talks is completely in English. So you have a good command in English, then you can get a lots of knowledge, because in internet there are plenty of knowledge available, lots of research paper, but it is completely in English. So if you really know about
Yeah.
it, but yeah, and another good thing is English. If you have a good command in English, you can go it thoroughly, you can read it thoroughly, because you know that lots of fake news, they comes in Hindi language. And why we accept it? Because we have no real knowledge about it, because we can't search it. But if you have a good knowledge, you can go easily Quora or Wikipedia, where you can get original authentic knowledge through it. So it's very easy to know that English is necessary or not. It's completely up to you. You just stay around your room and you can check it how many things is there in English, even though the real name is Hindi. But I told you in my initial time that if I talk about this pen, and this is only write in English language, even though is it Indian pen and there is no necessary to write in English, but they write in English, because you can say English is a classy language. If anyone speak English, it looks like a very what can I say, intelligent of person, intellectual person. Maybe it's not necessary that if he is intelligent or not, but
Yeah.
what can I say? It's the jargon of that language. Suppose if you go in a village, there no one can speak English or no one can understand English, but if you speak English, that guy says, "Oh my God, I think it's an intelligent person," because it's the level of that language. You can everyone know about it. So that's all for me.
Okay. All right. Yeah. You have put a very great points, and one and single point that I want to add: if we want to go for study abroad, then we also need to be expert in English language. And if we want to crack IELTS, TOEFL kind of examination, then we important. So I
Exactly.
think Yusuf,
Yeah, and last thing,
yeah,
Dhruv, you know that if you talk
mm-hmm.
about Indian education, but we are in 2020, but you just guess about 2025 or 2030. In India
Yeah,
also, it's
right.
gonna be complete in English. I literally tell you.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, there's no doubt about it. Yusuf, can you listen us? Okay, I think Yusuf. Okay, Vishal, you can carry on something.
Yeah, Dhruv, because earlier you told about like we watched some movies in Hollywood movies and some books that are written in
Mm-hmm.
English languages, English language. So yeah, we have seen that most of the content they are specially written in English language. So I think that if you learn this language, so it will give you access to the entertainment and
Yeah, right.
and you told about study. What happened whenever we, for example, I want to crack the exam IELTS. After that, for example, I know only one language, which is Hindi or Marathi. So what happened when I go, like for example, I go to Texas University and I started studying there. So that time, what happened? If I don't know, I was unable to interact with people in English language. So that could be like it might affect a lot.
Yeah, right.
And I think most of the, I think like right now the US is at the number one like English speaking country, and India is right now at second position. But I think after a few years, we are at the top. And according to facts that like there are about 400 billion, not million people are right now those who are English speakers. But if we compare to like the Chinese language and the Spanish language, so the number of speakers are more as compared to English. But
just because they have more, you know, just because Chinese have a more population, that this is also one region. Yeah.
Yeah. But you can see that how because we have seen that number of speakers are less, but the influence of this language is more as compared to any language in the world.
Yeah, right.
So I think learning, we are saying that is it important to learn English language? So I think it depends on individual to individual, because it depends on that person, that on for what purpose that person was try to learn this language. For example, right now I'm like in Mumbai. I'm from Rajasthan, so like I know Hindi language, Marathi language, Gujarati, UP and other language used in UP and BR. So these are like I learned from my friends. So what happened whenever I wanted to like interact with people, so I can easily interact with these people. And English, so I think it's a global language. So yeah, we can. There is no there is nothing we can say that we don't wanted to learn this language. And I think whenever we started learning a new language, now it expands our mind.
Right.
So that's all.
I want to say one point.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we learn English, then we get job in tourism also, and a translator also, I think.
Right. Yeah, you are right.
So other language we can translate into English.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, due to internet, the whole world have become a village now. We can talk everyone or anytime. That's why, because if you have only one language, English, so you can communicate all over the world easily. But if you are not in English, so you have to learn many languages. Like if you talk about the Middle East side, like you have a good command in Arabic, you have a good command in Spanish and Italian. If you talk about Europe, so if you talk about every parts of the world, so you have to learn different kinds of language if you want to communicate them. But if you just have English knowledge, if you have a good command in English, so you can easily communicate all around the world, especially the official talk you can easily do, because all the countries have official knowledge in English, I think.
Okay, Nabil, Yusuf, are you there, bro? You can unmute. You know, you have muted your. Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon, all of you. Yeah, I'm here. I have joined you people back. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Yeah, all right.
Okay.
Keep your point. Is it necessary to learn English language or not? What do you think about it?
Okay, thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to speak over here. The first thing is that I need to mention, yeah, it's very much important for all of us to learn English in today's period of time. Why? Because that brother, I think his name, I didn't remember it. Brother Vishal is saying that English has become a global language. So it's very much important for all of us to learn. If we are going to step up in any foreign country, then to interact with the surrounding and to interact with the people over there, we need to know the English. Without English, we can't survive over there, right?
Right.
And the second most important thing is that as India is the second largest English speaking country, so and it's having a great value of English speakers over here, and we will get a different kind of jobs, and there are a lot of jobs which require English speaking. English speaking is the basic need of each and every job in today's period of time, in my view, as what I have seen and according to my knowledge. So it's important for all of us to learn it anyhow. As my goal is to become a lecturer in future, so you can see in any field, in any of the working field, English is necessary for all of us today. So that was about my point.
Yeah, okay, all right.